sing all day, every day. And you can share a little bit about that too.
Hi, my name is Wade B. Charles, and I live in Miami, Florida. Well, I'm from the U.S. Virgin Islands, St. Thomas, and this is my first time to Ghana. It's been a dream of mine since I was a kid, watching the Discovery Channel, because I thought it was very unfair that they portrayed Africans as wild animals. And I wanted to see for myself what my brothers and sisters looked like, because there were so many things that, that we did in the Caribbean that was a part of our African culture. And coming here is a great experience for me, because I came here as a reflection of myself, because for many years people told us we were ugly, we did not matter, we were not beautiful. But as I got closer in my 30s, I realized I was a beautiful, strong woman. Yes. And my skin was beautiful, my hair was beautiful, and I deserved to be treated as the queen that I am. So on my journey here, I'm here to reflect on my life and where I want to go. In January, I called Bomani, and I didn't care. I just told him I want to go. I paid for my ticket in full, and I started preparing for my trip. October 6th, I turned 50. October 6th, I turned 50, and I told the Most High, this is a new journey for me to see myself and to show me who I am. And coming to Ghana, I see everyone in me, through their eyes, through their smile, through the food, through the dances, the music, and everything. These are my brothers and sisters. This is my home. And also, I ask the Most High to bless me to find a child that I can help. And along our journey, there was a young little kid that just kept following me, and I decided to, sponsor him. And also, today I know we had so many obstacles and everything like that getting on our journey this morning, but there's always a reason for every obstacle. And the minute we entered the restaurant, I saw this gentleman. He dressed so fine, and me and my girlfriend was like, where did you get your outfit? You look very nice. And he started talking to us, and he ended up being a producer and director of African movies, which I watch constantly, and I have seen the growth of it, and I have asked God to see where I can use my expertise as a former radio DJ. I went to school for broadcasting. I was the first black woman to work in Miami as a predominantly white jazz station. It was very, very difficult, but I did it because that was my dream. My dream was to be an actress. I took theater, but one of my passions is children, and I do a lot. I work with the United Negro College Fund. We raise like $30,000 every year for Caribbean students who go to black colleges. And we also have a concert we do every year. It's called Unifest. It's uniting Caribbean people, black people from all over, embracing our culture and also embracing our music. So I would like to bring that to Ghana. I would like to help them in the media. I would like to help them on social media. I would like to help our children as well, to help them to read, educate them, and also, so that they may have a bright future and that Africa may have a bright future.